You want science? You need the estimate behind this activity. I've watched them in 3 weeks.
Here you go, guys. The vibration is almost non-existent. It still needs a little work, and I am not flying it. My roommate is, because he has more experience with these 4 channels than I do. But she's... yeah. Never mind. He had experience. He's forgotten it all.
The inflammation would have been very painful, and the pain would have increased. We kept upping the dose.
No, it's not like it's spinning the other way.
No, I didn't think it would. They always have one that they like better than the others.
I need to put together the evidence package to deliver to the U.S. Attorney. You really think you can handle?
Oop, and you missed. That's my arm. Cool.